Hey guys, I just wanted to show you this Sennheiser PX100 foldable stereo headphones, and this is just an unboxing video. I got this from jnr.com, and I think I ordered on Friday and it got here today. So this one's really easy to open actually. You just like pry it open with your fingers, you don't need anything. So that's the back of it. It tells you how to fold it, and yeah, just like really short instructions. And it looks like this. So it comes with a little case. So in the back of it, it also shows you how to fold it up. So you just open it like this, and let me see how to take this out. Oh, there it is. So you just unravel it like that, and then I guess you pull this out. So it's just in there. So it looks like this when you take it out. The long cord, and let's see what it says. Okay, so I just pull this out, and it extends like that. So it looks like this, and then turn it inside like that. So there you go. That's what it looks like. And on the sides it says PX100. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then on the top it says, it has this Sennheiser logo and the name. So I will be trying this out, and I will tell you what I think about it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.